Welcome to the GA4 Accelerator. All right, I'm JJ. I'm the founder of Media Authentic. The rest of the team is waiting in bated anticipation for all the people that are going to come through this. We're already super excited and already starting to field a few calls here and there, and it's just going to be great. So what in the world is a GA4 Accelerator? Let me hop into that. So the first thing is GA4. What on God's green earth is this? Some people might already know, like you might have already set it up. You might have already have it in the background cooking, right? July 2023 is the end date of Universal. GA4 is here to stay, here to be awesome, here to run the back end of all of the internet, right? So that is where we currently are. But if you have heard of it, you have not heard of it, you probably do not know up from down inside of GA4. It's unique. It's using events instead of sessions. It has user IDs. It has a pseudo ID instead of a client ID. There's a whole bunch of different things. There's this thing called BigQuery. And so basically it's complicated. But the beauty is that we're here to help. I know, sales pitch, here it comes. And so what the plan is if you would like to have a team that will implement for you as well as train you, right? Implementation plus training. This might be for you. So let's hop right into it. So this is what we've got, right? So the first things first right here is a a discovery call. So we're going to hop on a discovery call, make sure we are the perfect fit and think that we can really nail your business in this time frame. It's fast. It's going to be aggressive. Weekly calls are going to be mandatory, and we're going to get things done fast. Then what's going to happen is we're going to have these weeks. So we got week 1 being where we audit, access, install, all that jazz. Week 2, strategize, figure out edge cases. Week 3, we implement. We're implementing this whole time, but definitely implementing week 3 and building out your reports inside of the GA4 interface. Week 4, we're reporting, we're demoing, talking with you about all those things. And we are talking with you every single week on a video call that's going to be an hour long, as well as Slack communication, right? We're going to have a shared Slack channel. We are part of your team for this process. Then what happens beyond that is month 2, we've got Slack support and strategy, and month 3 as Slack support. And so we're going to support you. We're going to support you. We're not going to be like, all right, it's all plumbed together. See ya, high and dry. This is going to be probably the most valuable implementation on the internet, if I don't say so myself. So this is the analogy that I've got. If you're already like, where do I give you my money? It'll be on the details of this page. Hit a button, drop down below, schedule a call with myself or Stockton, and we'll be off to the races. So now let's get to the fun analogy part. So here is where we are. So this is probably how your team is feeling right now, where you see GA4 coming down the pipeline and you're just not sure what's happening, or you're already in GA4 and you're not even sure what to do. This is you. We are going to come in here and we're going to be the trainer that not only tells you what to do, but does it with you. We're going to be implementing on your behalf, talking you through what we're doing, how we're doing it, and status updates along the way. So our goal is to be the cool trainer that does it with you, not the PE coach that tells you to do something, but has been so overweight their entire life that they couldn't run a sprint if they wanted to. We're going to be the cool coach. So that's the goal, is we're going to turn this heavy breathing cat, which is currently you if you're not familiar with GA4, and we're going to make sure that we rock and roll. We're going to send tag manager all the deets. We're not pulling any punches on this implementation. So then what is the end, right? We want to turn our little heavy breathing cat here into a fine-tuned machine, right? We're gonna make sure that your GA4 reports are up and running. We're gonna use the Explore reports. We're not gonna build out anything in Data Studio at this moment in this offer. We can have conversations, again, if you'd like more support in other aspects of your business, as far as pulling in different data sources, building out a master data studio, we can do that. That's just not part of this. We're going to keep things in GA4, keep it sleek, just like these little muffins that are on the page. So if that all sounds like at all of interest, right, our GA4 accelerator, there's lots of details on this page, and you can book a call. Again, free call. You can book a call even if you're not going to buy. We're not going to like pull any information from you or like force you to buy or anything like that. But I think it will be really, really valuable regardless. And you also will have some fun because we're not the basic analytics team. We're a fun team that likes to have fun and also deliver powerful analytics implementations. So look forward to seeing you, and I'll talk to you hopefully in a call.